Okay, so now we're going to look at how we add things to your schedule. So as you can see here, I've got a schedule with a couple of jobs in already, and one below that's empty for another team. You can kind of drag and drop jobs around between days. So you could move this one over to Wednesday if you wanted to. Or if you want to move it to a date that's really far in the future, just click on that job and then bring up the date picker, and you can do it in 2 weeks' time. You could also change the team lead as well. I am going to keep it the same day, but I'm going to move it to the other team lead, which I could do by dragging and dropping to the schedule below, or I can do it like this by clicking on the visit tile and updating the info. So I'll do that. You can see it's disappeared from Wednesday and it's now appeared in Team 1's schedule for Wednesday. For adding jobs to your schedule or adding appointments, what you're going to do is you're going to use this plus button in the right corner at the top here. So if you click that, it's going to give you the options to create a brand new job that you can put into your schedule, an unscheduled visit, so a job you've already created but haven't put in the schedule yet, a quote visit, waste drop off, break, or just other, call it what you want. So I'm going to click on unscheduled. Now, something that can take a bit of getting used to when you start using HubScape is this sort of concept of your unscheduled visits list. So this is where all your kind of to be done jobs are going to sit, the ones that you haven't scheduled yet. So by selecting that, you'll bring up the list. If it's quite long, you can search for it if you're looking for a particular type of job. But what that list is going to do, it's going to order it by due date. So the one that is most due will sit at the top. It's like this one, the cheese shop. What you can do is you can just click on it and drag it into your schedule. If you don't want to click and drag it into the schedule, you can just click on it and it will bring up its detail page, and you can use the date picker if you prefer to do it that way. Okay, so that is kind of adding unscheduled visits to your job list. The other thing you can do are appointments, so quote visits, waste drop-offs, or breaks. At the moment, they all sort of function, in a fairly similar way. So a quote visit, you're just going to say where it is by typing in the address. So let's try. I'm trying to think of a postcode. Okay, I'll just select a random one. You can use what three words if you prefer. Or if that's more accurate than the address. I think you'd need to do both though, actually. I'm going to be there for 1 hour, and I'm actually going to do that one myself. And it's going to happen on Thursday. Create appointment. And we can see that it's in on Thursday now after the waste drop off.